psychic, and I must have like a really gullible face. And he stopped me for 20, I was 20 minutes late back from lunch, because this dude stopped me on the way back from lunch. And he told me all these things about my life. And I think I might have psychic powers off the back of it, right? It might be bullshit. For example, couple there, shout out any random number.
127.
Sorry?
127.
127.